Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. We are looking at a brand new app called Essentials. It is packed with essential tools, mods, and workarounds primarily targeted for Google Pixel devices, but extending to other Androids as well. Whether you're running Android 8 or participating in the Android 17 beta program like we are testing on our Pixel 7 today, this app is an absolute game changer. It brings back lost features, adds new customizations, and gives you deep control over your device. Let's dive right into how to get it and what it can do for your smartphone experience. First things first, you'll need to grab the APK file for the Essentials app. Once you have downloaded it from the official GitHub repository, open up your favorite file manager and navigate to your Downloads folder. You'll see the Essentials APK sitting right there. It's a lightweight package considering everything it packs inside. Since this is a very powerful tool that interacts deeply with your system settings and tweaks hidden Android features, the installation process requires one extra but very important step before we tap on that file. Before we proceed with the installation, we need to briefly head over to the Google Play Store. Tap on your profile picture, go to Play Protect, and temporarily turn off the security scan. Because this app modifies system behaviors, Play Protect might falsely flag it and block the installation. Once you've disabled it, go back to your file manager, tap the Essentials APK, and hit Install. The process should only take a few seconds. Immediately after the installation says complete, please be sure to go straight back into your Play Store settings and turn Play Protect back on to keep your device completely secure moving forward. Now, let's open the Essentials app for the first time. To do its magic, it needs a few permissions. The app permissions are entirely optional, meaning you only need to grant the necessary permissions for each specific feature you actually want to use. Go ahead and allow things like accessibility access or notification access as prompted, depending on the tools you plan to activate today. Once inside, the sheer number of features is incredible. For sound and haptics, you get a dedicated sound mode switcher, call vibrations for accepting or declining, and an ambient music glance for media playback on your always-on display. For security, you can finally lock quick settings tiles while the screen is locked and utilize a built-in app lock. The Notifications tab brings edge lighting, flashlight pulsing, and battery alerts for all connected devices. Display tweaks are massive, featuring dynamic always-on display, app-based dynamic nightlight, status bar icon customization, and a caffeinate tile to keep your screen awake. You can also dive into the quick settings menu to toggle UI blur, chat bubbles, NFC, mono audio, and even charging optimization for pixels. There are watch tools to periodically sync calendars to WearOS, Maps power-saving mode for any Android, location reminders for when your stop is close by, and even an Android 17-style color picker eyedropper. You can freeze rarely used apps to save battery, update your Sideloaded apps directly from GitHub, or use the DIY section to automate custom triggers. Remember, while it works beautifully on our Pixel, some features might behave differently on other OEM devices. This app truly lives up to its name, providing everything about your Android device in one centralized place. It is a must-have for power users looking to get the absolute most out of their smartphone experience. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.